What is going on? This is AlTone, and this is the DEERC 9000E remote control car. So I am truly thankful for DEERC sending this nice little car out for me to try out. It has been phenomenal. I enjoy this car. It's my third favorite of all of my RC cars at this point. So what comes in the box is the DEERC 9000E RC car and the remote control, a USB charging cable, 2 rechargeable batteries, a manual, and an accessory package that has a ton of things that you are possibly going to need. So the DEERC 9000E actually has a PVC body that has light up racing stripes across the top. And it has LED status indicator headlights in the front, an ESC steering servo, battery bay, and motor. On the transmitter, you have, of course, your on-off switch, LED status indicator light, letting you know when it's connected to the car itself, a speed switch, a steering trim switch, throttle trigger with 3 functions, forward, brake, and reverse, and a padded steering wheel. And of course, on the bottom is your battery bay that requires 3 AA batteries, which are not included. And some of the quick specifications on the 9000E are that it has a 2.4 gigahertz radio. It is 4-wheel drive. It can accomplish speeds in the right conditions up to 40 kilometers per hour. Remote distance is about 263 feet. And the charging time is 120 minutes for your batteries. I've had a ball running this car, and again, with the light up status LED lights, I haven't really been able to enjoy them so much because I have been running this during the day. But I do plan on getting out and running this at night sometime and try to capturing that footage so that I can share that in future videos. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really hope that this helped you in some way. Have a fantastic day, and I look forward to talking to you again in future videos.